If you're running a traditional house cleaning business right now, your biggest bottleneck isn't getting clients. It's the constant cycle of babysitting employees, dealing with callouts, and watching your profit margins evaporate into payroll taxes and workers' comp. You don't own a business. You own a high, stressful management job. All right, so welcome back. I'm Tina Servis, and I have been operating a remote cleaning company for over 19 years. And today I'm going to talk with you a little bit about why shifting to an independent contractor model isn't just a legal restructure. It is actually an ultimate game changer for your sanity, your scalability, and your profit margins. All right, so the first reason this model changes everything is the shift in your daily operations. In a typical W-2 model, you are managing methods. You are checking to see if someone showed up on time, if they wore the right shirt, and if they folded the towels correctly. Think of an independent contractor model or a referral-based remote cleaning company like a real estate brokerage. A broker doesn't follow an agent into an open house to make sure they are smiling. The broker simply provides the infrastructure and the leads, and the agent executes. As a referral agency, your job is to secure high-ticket recurring clients and match them on top-tier independent cleaning professionals. You control the outcome, not the method. This completely and then eliminates the need for babysitting. So the second reason is talent attraction. The cleaning industry is currently facing a massive ghosting epidemic, but here is the truth. High quality professionals don't want to make $16 an hour as a W-2 employee, while you keep the lion's share of the profit. When you operate an IC model, your overhead drops significantly because you aren't paying for unbillable windshield time or bloated employer taxes. You can actually afford to pay your contractors a premium percentage for the job. You stop trying to hire entry-level employees and you start partnering with driven independent business owners. When you offer the best margins in your city, you attract the best talent in your city. So the third reason is risk mitigation. Many owners are terrified of the IRS and Department of Labor rules regarding independent contractors, so they stay stuck in the W-2 model. But when you install a true compliance firewall, the rules actually protect your time because you are legally forbidden from micromanaging a 1099 contractor. You are forced to build better systems. You have to rely on clear service agreements, systematic pricing, and solid quality assurance loops instead of just hovering over people. The legal boundaries force you to become a better, more efficient CEO. And here's the deeper takeaway. The owners that are getting stuck at $350,000 to $500,000 in revenue are almost always drowning in W-2 payroll and employee drama. The only people that are really making money in that business are the cleaners. The ones that are breaking past that are engineering their businesses to be remote, scalable, and high margin. If this model makes sense for you, like and subscribe so I can keep bringing you the exact strategies we use to build our remote cleaning company. Listen, the bottom line is the independent contractor model allows you to step out of the field, pay the best talent top dollar, and keep a high percentage of net profits for yourself without ever having to micromanage another person.